Hey gang, coming at you with a little channel news tonight. Uh, just kind of report on how the channel's going. Because quite frankly, you guys need to know because it wouldn't be a channel without you guys. We're over 7,200 subscribers now. We have closed in nearly on that magic 4,000 hour rolling 365-day average views. I don't know how long it takes to be monetized after that. Because quite frankly, a lot of people are telling me you can apply at 4,000, but it takes them about another year to actually get their ducks in a row and monetize a channel. So I don't know what that's about. But here's the kicker. Here's how you get paid, mostly on YouTube. You have a Google AdSense account that's attached to your YouTube channel, and it monitors all your click-throughs and all those kind of things, and that's how people on YouTube get paid for the most part. Well, at 3,960 some rolling hours of view time, I got an email last week that told me that Google was deactivating my AdSense account because of inactivity. Well, Google, it's inactive because of y'all. I was monetized under the old rules, and instead of grandfathering folks in when you changed the rules, you just slapped everybody down who didn't meet your new requirements, which is fine. I can play the game with y'all. Here's what y'all need to know about Google. Google's not one company. In fact, Google's not really the main company. Google has a parent company called Alphabet, and at last count, the last thing I read, there were over 230 some companies under that umbrella. And YouTube is owned by Google. YouTube was bought about 15 years ago by Google for about almost $2 billion. I think it was 1.65 billion or something 15 years ago. But here's the kicker. Google is basically everything. So even if you're not a subscriber on Google this or Google that, one of their sub companies, the 230 some companies, that's who you're subscribed to, and Google gets all your stuff anyway. But anyway, I'll play the game because it's not about the money. It's just about playing the game, really. What else we got going on? I've got things that I really need to up my game on a lot of things. Because quite frankly, I kind of wanted to see where I can take all this stuff. I still work pretty much every weekend over at the Pathfinder School, doing classes over there, or doing events with Dave and the Pathfinder crew. So basically, the social media is a hobby kind of thing. I just want to see how it works. Be honest with you, and I'll keep reporting on this to y'all and let you know how it works, or at least how I see it working. But anyway, like I said, we're over 7,200 subscribers now. We're almost at that 4,000 hour rolling views kind of thing. They're tracking on a 365-day rolling calendar, and you have to have 4,000 rolling hours, 4,000 hours over that 365-day rolling calendar before you can be considered to be monetized. I have a hunch that may never happen. But it doesn't really matter. Let's see what else we got going on here. The top video in the last 365 days is still that Chinese boreal shirt video. I don't know why people are still watching that. I understand a few of you are still posting the link to that video on when they throw that fake ad up. Thank you, funnier than shit. Thanks. What's second? The Weather Wool anorak, or the Weather Wool all around jacket video. That thing's still getting views. Amazing. That video is from March of 2020. Still getting views though. Let's see what else we got going on here. Cigar and Whiskey Talk from back in May. The Tenure at the Pathfinder School video back in March. Cigar and Whiskey of June of 2022. Cigar and Whiskey of April of 2022. That little new short, the short about the new Pathfinder pack, back from November. That's number 7 video. The first Pathfinder IFAK video from back in December of last year. The Pathfinder Scout Pack review video from January. And a Cigar and Whiskey Talk from April 25th. Those are the top 10 videos on the channel. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate that stuff. It still looks like I get most of my views from non-subscribers. Which actually jibes with what YouTube says happens. So, you know. That's probably all I will bore y'all with. So, thanks for keeping up with the channel. I really appreciate it. It wouldn't be a channel without you folks watching it. That's what I tell people when they come to the class. Thanks for having us. Thanks for being here. Without you, we'd just be out here playing around in the woods. Now, we would be. But the whole point of this channel is for folks to watch it, and the whole point of the school is for people to come to classes. So, with all that being said, thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Go over to the main channel, or the main page of the channel, and click on my buddies' YouTube channels. Watch some of their stuff. And I do want to mention Buckeye Bushcraft this weekend. I want to congratulate him on completing the advanced class in patching. And come a long way, buddy. See you in a couple of weeks in Kentucky. Salty Dog out.